Miles here. Yeah, Shady Oaks retirement. Oh, brother.
Hey, morning, Mr. Fredrickson. Need any help, sir?
No. Yeah. Tell your boss over there that you boys are ruining our house.
Well, just to let you know, my boss will be happy to take this whole place off your hands and for double his last offer. What do you say to that? Take that as a no, then.
I believe I made my position to your boss quite clear.
You poured fruit juice in his gas tank.
Yeah, that was good. Here, let me talk to him. You in the suit. Yes, you. Take a bath, hippie. I am not with him.
This is serious. He's out to get your house.
Tell your boss he can have our house.